Why are you so cute? Why? Why are you so cute? Stop being cute. Stop being cute. I can't handle it. I can't handle the cuteness. Get off my bed. Go of your own accord. You make me feel bad to throw you off. You're so cute. Ah. Go. Out of my room. Follow your sister's calls. Get out. Get out of my room. Get off my bed. Get off my bed. Little Minnie. Get off my bed. That's right. Get off. Go see what they want. Go see what they want. Go see what your sisters want.
Like when you start being the person in that ad, that means you have. Well, you know, in Montana, a lot of people credited Bernie's campaign. I mean, this is in the aftermath of that Montana race, is that it helped because the people in eastern Montana were like, well, I don't want to go with those damn liberals, you know, and so who knows if it's right or not. Yeah, but we do have to acknowledge the race is very close. There was a poll yesterday that it was within 1 point, but we also have this Survey USA poll putting him up by 7 points at this point. And sometimes it's difficult to tell. I mean, you know, figuring out in a special congressional election runoff. Yeah, I think she has always wanted to be a politician, and she's not good at it. She's always, so mark my words. Hasn't she won statewide? Wasn't she? I don't know. Besides, I don't believe it. Mark my words, also, I don't even think it's that close. Here's why I think you're wrong, and it's not an actual question. We lose all these, so we'll lose this. So far we have lost a lot of them. There has always been movement in the right direction. Always the one, though, of these, always the one. Of the ones, recent special elections, that the Democrats had a really good shot at winning. Yeah, so that's, you know, unlike that. So, well, in Montana, you had to move it 20 some odd points. Here, you don't have to move it that many points, and this is House Central seat, this is New Gingrich's own seat, so it could be considered a bellwether if Ossoff wins, I think he will. And what I'm curious about, and I probably will not never get polling this specific, is if those kinds of ads still work or not. I know that with hardcore Republican voters, I'm sure they do, but I don't know that they motivate them enough to show up to vote, right? Because you guys
they were not serious. Were they refugees?
Yeah.
But in the minds of a lot of people, they'll say we're serious.
Yeah, and close enough. I mean, you're arguing the finer points of that ad is, I think, a waste of time. I mean, that ad is effective to someone. The question is it convert anybody? Probably not. Does it motivate some people who might have sat out that Tuesday in June?
Yeah.
You know, I don't know. Maybe.
But on that note, though, it's happening in less than 3 weeks. The polls are incredibly close. Like I said, yesterday there was one that was just 1 point off, which means that this is the perfect opportunity where if you are in that district, vote.
Nope. Hey. Hey. Psst. Yeah, I knew.
Are not included in this. Like the people who start on opioids and eventually end up on illegal drugs and die as a result of that. That's its own epidemic that people don't realize is inherently connected to this one.
And all of those amazing numbers pales in comparison to the more amazing part of the story. That it is Republicans in Ohio that are suing.
File a lawsuit like this. Again, further congratulations to them for being this